Ka Business Advisory Committee jong ka Ïingdorbar Thaw ka jala kala shimye ka rai baka Dorbar Mang Tyngka jong ka Ïingdorbar Thaw kan sedang no haga san tarik uluber bat kan kut haga khat khandai tarik uluber. Yakane ka almanak jong ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka la menjur haka jingalang jong ka Business Advisory Committee kabla syong jingalang haka sinengkong jong ka tayu bala penya yakane ka jingalang da ulampang ka Ïingdorbar Thaw uba met ba lengdo ya ka balawan ya shimbentaru da sembut menteri rang ba uba plastun tinsong ka dekat jong ka liang persya ka kong amperin lengdo. Haba Pynbna yakane ka almanak ulampang ulaong banaki khatwe Sngi jong ka Dorbar hinyo Sngi kidai ki balamang na kabenta ki kam jong ka sarkar jilla ne government business kat basau Sngi lamang na kabenta ki kam jong ki MLA shimet ne private member business.
The same has been made aware with the 15 Finance Commission. So the 15 Finance Commission has recommended around 100 crores for the new assembly building. And after we have met the Honourable Speaker, we got the chance to meet the Honourable Finance Minister also during my last visit with the Honourable Chief Minister, and we have requested her that to kindly consider and approve all the recommendations made by the 15 Finance Commission, especially from my side, other than what the Chief Minister, like the government, proposals which has been recommended by the Finance Commission, in particular, that she will look into and see that how they can accommodate that recommendation.